No, I won't. This time, I hope I'm leaving the stream.
Oh my god.
You're behind the TV.
What the heck? Look at this! There was a monster. Then we have the job thing. Then we have a flippin' truck in here. Then we have a YouTuber. And I'm subscribed to him. And yeah.
Wait,
and then we have this weird, ugly man in here. Then I don't know. We have like upstairs that nobody's in. Whoa.
2.
We have one person. We have a flippin' truck still in here.
2. How was that bad?
There's a lot. And this is the YouTuber. Nope, not that. Him. He's a YouTuber. This guy. Yeah, that guy. I don't care. Whoa, what the heck? Oh. Yeah, this is what it gives me. Okay, anyways.
Is that another YouTuber too?
Yeah.
Why is there a truck here? Cool.
Yeah.
Is that you?
No, I just started doing this.
We go driving in my car right after a beer.
I don't want to play with you.
Good old the gardens.
Hello.
Collected my bamboo.
Wait, let me add some music. Wait, but calm one.
We go driving in my car right after.
Hi, server hacker.
Server hacked? Oh, our server's getting hacked. Our server's getting hacked.
Why?
Our server's getting hacked. No. No. Mutual Z-Hub.
I took a screenshot.
Mutual Z-Hub.
Bro, our server was actually getting hacked. He says, server getting hacked, blah, 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 blah. Server getting hacked, blah, 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 blah. Like that, and we were jumping.
Here.
What? What happened?
Stop.
What's happening?
Our server's still getting hacked. In Brookhaven, our server's getting hacked.
Mommy!
I need to find it. It's, okay, so this is,
I heard time to brush your teeth.
PGN.
I'm actually scared. I don't like this. I don't want to get hacked.